Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. Today I'm going to show you a really cool appetizer that you can prepare outside on your grill or on your flat top. It's called Cheesy Brisket Bites. Sounds fantastic. And it's a very quick appetizer to make just in case you have people coming over. Before we get started, I'd like to acknowledge Blue Rhino for all that they do to fuel our disasters at OBR so that we can serve the one hot meal that matters. So let's get started. I've got my flat top set low to medium. I'm going to spray it down with a little bit of oil. Now, if you don't have a flat top like this, you can always use a cast iron pan. Get a nice coating of oil. Next, we're going to take some cheese. I have cheddar. And you're going to put about a quarter cup in a circle on your flat top. Now to that, I'm going to take some heated brisket that I've tossed with a little bit of spicy barbecue sauce, and I'm going to place about a tablespoon on one side of the cheese. Then on top of that, I'm going to put a little chopped cilantro. And lastly, a little pickled red onion. And to finish it off, a little bit of barbecue spice. Now you're going to start to notice the cheese is getting brown around the outside. That's the sign that you want to start to loosen it and flip the cheese. So you're almost making a taco. Okay, once you flip them, now you're ready to take them off. And there we have it. Cheesy brisket bites. Fantastic. Enjoy.